What's going on, guys? Went down to the junkyard today. Got that Honda Pilot I'm working on. Got a bunch of interior pieces and exterior pieces that needs to be replaced. It's been a while since I've been down to the junkyard, but good score. There's my tool bag that I used. And I use this little wagon. These didn't do too well in the gravel, but did what it needed to do. I did order this thing right here. That wagon just dragged along. Fits my 1/2 inch master socket set pretty good. Oh, this is a recent purchase. I haven't done a video on that yet, so I might as well show it here. By ABN, 1/2 inch master impact socket set, 43 piece metric, made in Taiwan. There's a part number. There you go, quick view of that. It goes all the way up to 30. So it stops at 24, no skips, and then 26, 27, 30. Comes with a swivel impact, extensions. I have the 12 millimeter out. I used that earlier today. And then, I'm not sure if I serve this one. So this is the Caselman one. And then here's the 1/4 inch 50 piece master SAE metric impact socket set. Oh, and then this is the little, so this is the Tstak kit. So it's supposed to just latch on like that. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. There you go. It's pretty cool. At least that way I can throw my parts that I pull out. Hopefully I don't have to pull any more big parts out. But if I do, I can just bungee it on there. I'll throw some bungees in there and stuff. I did pick up this Noco battery recharger. It's a Genius one. I would say about a good full 2 days. Had this battery fully charged up. What I'll do is I'll put it on trickle mode later here and keep that going while I work on the car. And then once I need to place it back in there, I'll throw it back in there. Let's see what else I got. I did pick these up. 1/2 inch chrome vanadium non-marring socket set. I'm gonna see how these do. They're only about 21 bucks on Amazon. So yeah, that's a recent tool haul, and that's what I got going on right now. So just gonna slowly work on this Pilot. Eventually I'll probably do a good tune-up on it, suspension work, timing belt change, whole 9 yards, and get that going and flip that. All right, guys, take care.